CCTV
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat
Kaladan ke Shah bat kali ke Bashipur, mentaka stem, jong ke sautri ujeliu araza pun rio. Namar ke Ïaid lenti, jong ki bahek bahan, ki bertemu banlet syaka alang, jong ke North Eastern Council, ke belalong mentaka sengi ha State Convention Center. Ki Paidbah kelas ngau bitar ya kani ke Shah bat jong ki kali, ke baklem da pentip lupa, namar ba ki kam jong ki sakun. Dan par ki baslem men poishe ki jakatrai, bat dan ru ki baslem balik bu skul ya ki khun ki jong ki. Haka jing bitar ki Paidbah kila ai hon Kput hadu ba ka Surok kala Sawa da ki jing ai hon ki kali bar ki arshaka kala danru ka jing apin inia hapedeng ki riu Paidbah bar ki Pulit ha Surok haka ni ka jing alang ka NEC lawan banishim benta da barok ki menteri rang ba bat barok ki lat jong ki jela ka than stela mingi.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang syaka biodiesel tinamar kata lemba ka ruko ka kot ka kya par kamaryang ru kan kta sho.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.